New Mexico defies national trends, preserves affordable healthcare access. New Mexico stands out as the only U.S. state to fully replace expiring federal Obamacare subsidies with state funding, ensuring continued affordable healthcare access for its residents. This decisive move came after Congress failed to extend pandemic-era financial aid, leaving many Americans facing drastically higher insurance costs. The crisis averted for families like Jen Tara Ward's in Santa Fe, the situation was dire. Without state intervention, their monthly premiums would have tripled to approximately $3,000, exceeding their mortgage payment. This scenario was projected to impact around 27,000 New Mexicans, potentially forcing them to drop coverage entirely. The state's decision to step in has reversed this trend. Enrollment in New Mexico's health exchange has surged, adding an additional 10,000 newly insured individuals. This outcome contrasts sharply with other states where subsidy expiration led to coverage losses. Why New Mexico? Acted Democratic State Representative Reina Szczepanski, a key architect of the state's funding solution, highlighted the record-breaking enrollment numbers. This is not simply a matter of policy. It's about preventing a healthcare crisis and ensuring residents can maintain access to care. The state's commitment signals a rejection of the national trend toward eroding affordable healthcare options. "We've broken all records this year," Szczepanski stated, emphasizing the success of the initiative. Broader implications. New Mexico's approach serves as a case study for other states considering similar interventions. While federal inaction on healthcare affordability remains a persistent challenge, this example demonstrates how state-level action can mitigate the worst effects. The move also raises questions about the long-term sustainability of state-funded subsidies versus federal support. The fact that New Mexico took this step, while other states did not, underscores a critical divergence in healthcare policy. This outcome could influence future debates about the role of state governments in safeguarding access to affordable healthcare, particularly as federal support remains uncertain. In conclusion, New Mexico's bold decision to replace federal subsidies has not only preserved healthcare access for thousands of residents, but also set a precedent for state-level healthcare leadership amid national policy stagnation.